friends, I shared a photo of this bullet journal on my Instagram account, and I had some people asking me about where I got my decals for my planner. Now, for those of you guys who have been following us for some time, or even from the start of my shop, you realize I am not a very creative person, meaning when it comes to like sketching and drawing, that is just not available to me. I am definitely the type of person where I have to use my creative energies for other things. So when I see all these beautiful bullet journal spreads and these bullet journal covers and these Bible covers, I'm always like in awe of somebody's talent to do that. However, I have to figure out ways to get kind of the same look, but with my own kind of spin on them to the best of my abilities. And that is where our vinyl bullet journal stickers have come in. These are stuff that we make here in the shop. We have many different designs. I'm adding more designs. I'm creating more designs. I'm having so much fun with these right now. I feel like I can't, if I sniffle in this video, you guys, I am so sorry. I'm dealing with a terrible cold. Probably can hear it in my voice. So just fair warning, the snifflings are gonna be in here. Now, this is my 4th quarter bullet journal. I've totally revamped my planning style, and I'll probably do another video on that. But I went ahead and I wanted to jazz up my Leuchtturm 1917 cover. And I've seen people paint these. I've seen people do awesome things. Again, I don't have that ability. So I started making some of my own stickers for these, and then I was having people were asking me about them, and I'm like, well, maybe I should just put them in my shop. So, alas, here we are. They're in my shop. Now, what I do on mine, and I'm going to show you guys many different covers and many different ways that I've used these, not just on my actual covers, but in my bullet journal as well. So the first thing that I've done is I've just put a few of my favorite ones here. You can see the Sarge and the Gabby. This is actually from Planner Society. This isn't one of my stickers. And then I did a little Roadrunner, because Roadrunners are my animal. I love Roadrunners, and wolves are animals that I absolutely love. Roadrunners remind me of my time in New Mexico and kind of my freedom and to do things that I want to do, and I suppose run the roads, which is why I love my Roadrunners. So this is another one of our sticker designs. We have different vinyls, different designs. You can pick your vinyl color, you can pick your vinyl finish. We have some mattes, we have some glossies. I'm still adding things too as well. So if you don't see something yet, email me and I probably will have it or have the ability to get it. This is our gem design, and you can see on the bullet journals that we have different sizes available, and you can also get the size to your actual insert cover too. So you'll see pocket, passport, all of that sizes on the website as well. And then we have just normal like 3x4, 4x4 sizing too. And if you want even a bigger size than what we have available on the website, again, shoot me an email. I can for sure do a custom order on these. So this is just our gem design on the front of a black Rhodia. And then on the inside I did a little Michigan one, which you can see there. These are some other ones that I did, just jazzing up some covers. I am doing a thing for 2020 that is so weird to say, but I'm doing this thing for 2020 where I'm not going to be buying a bunch of new inserts. I'm going to be trying to use the inserts that I have or making my own. I've spent too much money on inserts that have just been sitting around, and I'm going to finish up my inserts in my notebooks. Hold me to that. So this is a narrow size, and I think this one came in like a Michael's planner or something, and I just put the mermaid design on this, so this one's on the website. This is a watercolor insert that I made, and I did one of my favorite designs, which is this wolf. I'm going to show you guys in this video too how to apply these. I have a Coco Poly, which I love, reminds me of New Mexico. This probably just like threw my camera, like crazy color of this. And then this is another one that says wild and has 2 feathers. Just FYI, the feathers actually do close up here. When I printed this design and when I cut it, it cut it off. So I was like, I didn't want to be wasteful. But you guys will see in the, when you get it, it'll be closed off up here. This is one of my favorite designs too. Now this is a little bit of a different kind of style for these. I put some of these on my Bible, and I have a little cross, I have my anchor, and a stag head or a deer head. This reminds me of my grandfather, and for those of you who also know, I have a tattoo on the back of my shoulder that's a deer head. But that is for my grandfather, an anchor, because I associate anchors with God. This is actually a Roadrunner that I painted on the front of my Bible. I can maybe do a video on that. And then I've added like this Believe right here. This is one of our vinyl stickers, and I've just added it to a journaling card and put it inside my Bible. So that one's in here. Again, that one's on the website as well. I have a large stag head. This is the large stag head with the gold foil option, the gold metallic option, which is really neat. I have that one in here. So you can use them not only on your covers, but you can use them on the inside of your planners and inside of your Bibles as well, or any inserts or any books that you want to jazz up. This is probably my second favorite design, which is this wolf head here. You can see there's some negative space where you can see the trees, and it's very spiritual to me. And I love wolves, and I just love this design. So this one's up on the website as well. This one is on a personal size insert that I have. Yep, this year, I'm going to use these inserts up. Hold me to it, y'all. This is another one of my favorite designs. It's the moon with some trees, and this is on the white glossy vinyl. And this is just a moleskin here size, which is 5 inches wide. This one's on the website. I love this design as well. This one is actually one of Brett's, and it's this vintage car design. So, and it's just on the front of a Clairefontaine insert that he has. Now, this one is on a Midori insert. This background here, the flower background, is a washi sheet that I did literally like forever ago. I made this insert when I was in New Mexico. I remember doing it, and I never used it. So I put one of the wildflower stickers on here, which you guys can see it in the white. I just thought it was really pretty. And then this is my Pecos. I don't have this one in my strings yet because I wanted to make sure it would fit well, and it does. It's amazing. This is my Pecos standard size, and I'm going to be using my Hippo Noto this year. Finally going to do it. I'm going to break it out. So I have, this is actually two separate stickers. I have the cow skull with kind of the tribal print and the beading on it, which is, again, one of my favorites. You guys know I love tribal design on anything. And then I have a little cactus one here. So you can add more, you can mix and match these if you want. There's so much stuff you can do with these. And I have another design in mind that I'm going to use from the inside of these because I just think they're so cool to kind of jazz up a bit. And then you can even put them on your pockets too. So like if you wanted to say receipts or, you know, planner goodies or whatever, you can even do that on this back. So we can do a lot of different designs and different things. Now, this is going to be the start, I think. I think this is going to be the start of my 2021, my 2020 bullet journal. I'm going to finally bust out this insert, which is a Michelrius A5. It's like 400 pages, I believe. It's grid. So I'll probably be able to use this most of the year, or even, I use about 200 pages a quarter, so maybe half the year then, because I went through that. Anyways, that's not this video. Focus, Mandy Jean, focus. So this is Bless This House That Believes, Joshua 24:15. This is also a sticker, so I just made it A5 size and put it on the front. So this is probably going to be my 2020 start. I'm struggling between using my Hippo Noto and my Michelrius. I don't know. Anyways, so that one's up on the website as well. This leather is Willis leather. It is available now. We got that back in. This one, I know I'm going to get questions on it. Pecos, still not available. Probably will never be available again. Now, these designs here, I just put on black cardstock so you guys can see them, and these are all ones that we also have on the website. So I have this really beautiful horse head. This one's in the teal vinyl, and then this design says Adventures Out There, and it's in the white. You'll see a lot of white. I just thought it would be good for video and for photography for the website, so white and teal. This one says Faith, and it has some birds and some like filigree and flowers in it. Cool little skull one with some like hibiscus flowers. A larger scale of the wolf, you can see it has some butterflies in there too. And this I thought would be perfect for the start of a bullet journal for like a month or even a year. This is the beginning of anything you want. So I love this, and I love kind of the scrolly vinyl in here. And this one is after my own heart. Who needs magic when you have tacos? Yes. So that one's on the website as well. I have this beautiful little fairy. and an awesome moose for my Alaska peeps, or my Vermont or Maine peeps. I love the moose one. I love this negative space. That's like one of my favorite designs. My tribal fox, which is reminding me of my Sargie. He's up on the website, and hummingbird that has that beautiful like filigree in there also. And then a bear with mama bears, with baby cubs. I should say a mama bear with cubs, that's what I'm trying to say. Hashtag NyQuil for the win. I don't like morning people or mornings or people. That one's up on the website. I just thought that was funny. Be kind or be quiet. I thought that would be awesome for a bullet journal cover, or even on your laptop. You can use these on your laptops. You can use these on your tumblers, on your cell phone cases. There's so many different things you can use these for. Born to craft, forced to work. Thought that one was awesome. All you need is love and horses. Makes me think of my horse, like I had growing up. Work hard and be nice to people. That one's on the website. So those are the ones that we have up now, with the exception of this design. This design will be up, and you can interchange your name in this one as well. Or you can put your name in this one, I guess would be the better way of saying it. So now I'm going to show you guys how to actually lay these. So when you place your order, this is what you're going to get. The only difference that's going to be is we are using, this transfer paper has been used repeatedly, so it looks kind of harsh, like no judges. We're using clear transfer tape now. When I first started these, I was using the paper tape, and I actually like the clear transfer tape better. So when you get your order, you will have the clear transfer tape on the front versus this grid here. But when you get your order, you'll have instructions on the back of it on what to do. So if you're putting it on something that you can clean with alcohol to make sure that the actual surface is very clean, I recommend doing that. However, you're not going to want to put alcohol on anything that is leather or faux leather or cardstock or whatnot. I mean, kind of use your common sense with that. Like these, you don't really need to clean off. I just would make sure there's no debris or lint or dog hair if you live in my house on these. So the first thing you want to do, or after you do that, after you make sure that it's cleaned off, when you get your design, again, it's going to look like this. You want to, sometimes when these are shipped, air bubbles kind of can form a bit. So you want to take a credit card or a gift card or something and push the design back down, just to make sure that it is good and stuck down. I'm going to move that to the side because I actually want to use this design here, which is going to be one of our designs. So let's pretend that this is this design. So the next step you want to do is once you've used your credit card and you've really made sure that it's laid back down well and there's no air bubbles, you want to flip it over and peel off the design from the transfer, or from the back. Now, if part of your design sticks to this back, go ahead and just relay it down as best you can and kind of rub over it again, because you want to make sure that your design is stuck to the transfer tape and not the backing. I hope that makes sense. So, after you do that, you want to get your notebook out, make sure you have it the right side, lay your design out how you want. Go ahead and smooth it down. Again, this transfer tape is very well loved, so yours will be cleaner. Take your debit or credit card or your gift card and run it over. And once you are for sure that it is down, you start peeling off your transfer tape. If your design is still stuck to the transfer tape, you just lay it back down and just keep rubbing it until it's stuck down to your cover, to whatever you want to put it on. So you just want to gently peel it off. And there it should be. Now, these vinyls, I mean, they're not water safe. You can't put them in the dishwasher or things like this. However, for notebook covers, I think they're a perfect way to jazz them up, to have a little fun with your cover. And, I mean, realistically, some of these you probably can peel off if you get bored with them. But we do use permanent vinyl, so, you know, you probably will tear your cover a little bit. But I think that it just makes such a cool way to, like, have fun and design things for your journal without, like, feeling like you are a failure like I do because I can't draw. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know. If you have any design ideas or phrase ideas, I would love to hear them. And I'll include a link below in the description box for the shop with the different designs that we have. And I hope you guys have an awesome day. Bye-bye.